Welcome to this guide on installing the Arnott air suspension compressor for the Jeep Grand Cherokee IV WK2. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance, so let's walk through the steps to ensure a successful setup. This vehicle contains a closed air supply system. Replacement of components requires proper adherence to procedures set forth within OE servicing literature. Failure to comply with the OE prescribed procedures can result in component damage and/or failure. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start the removal of the old compressor by setting the steering straight ahead and lifting the vehicle. Then remove the front right wheel. Remove the wheel well liner to expose the vehicle's air suspension compressor. Locate and disconnect the two electrical connectors from the compressor. Continue pinching and pulling back the exhaust hose clamp to disconnect the exhaust hose from the pump. The push-to-connect elbow fitting for the exhaust, in the right image, will be reused during installation. Now, disconnect the two air lines from the air compressor. Locate and remove the three mounting nuts to remove the compressor from the vehicle. Do not discard the factory hardware since that will be reused in the installation. The new air suspension compressor only has new rubber grommets. Now, remove the airline fittings from the two air hoses and discard them. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. This completes the removal. The new air suspension compressor comes with 3 rubber grommets installed. However, you will need to reuse the other factory mounting hardware from the removal process. Pull out the 2 white shipping pins from the air fittings before installation and reinstall the push-to-connect elbow fitting for the exhaust hose. You are now ready to install the compressor onto the vehicle. Reuse the saved isolator hardware to install the 3 mounting nuts. Reinstall the exhaust hose onto the compressor and slide the clamp into place. Then reinstall the 2 air lines by pushing them into the new air fittings until they are fully seated. Finally, reinstall the 2 electrical connectors. To finish the installation, make sure to replace the old relay. This can be found under the vehicle hood, where the fuse box is located containing the compressor pump relay. Remove the old relay and replace it with the Arnott provided relay. Then reinstall the wheel well liner, wheel, and lower the vehicle to complete the installation. Inspect the air springs for any type of cracks or excessive wear. Leaking air springs will cause the compressor to overheat from continuous operation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the compressor with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system.